Top 5 cleaning tips to boost your sale and smooth your settlement, getting ready to sell your home. Or maybe you've already sold and now it's time to hand over the keys. Either way, there's one thing that can dramatically reduce stress, boost buyer confidence, and even protect your sale price. A professional, thorough clean. Whether you're preparing for open homes or the final settlement day, cleaning your home properly can make all the difference. Let's walk through 5 essential tips to help you clean with impact, impress with ease, and leave with confidence. Tip 1. Clean like a buyer, not a homeowner. The truth is, you've stopped noticing things. Those fingerprints on the walls, that dust on the ceiling fan, the faint smell coming from the laundry. Buyers will notice, and if you've already sold, your buyer will expect a clean, fresh space on handover, especially if it's listed in your contract. So here's the mindset shift. Clean not just for hygiene, but for presentation. You're not scrubbing your home, you're preparing their future. Tip 2. Prioritize the deal-breaker areas. Bathrooms, kitchens, and floors are the holy trinity of buyer perception. In bathrooms, remove mold, scrub tiles and grout, shine mirrors, polish taps, and clean around drains. In the kitchen, wipe cupboards inside and out, degrease stovetops and ovens, empty and clean the fridge, and make sure bins don't leave behind any smells. On floors, vacuum thoroughly, mop tiles, and if you have carpets, steam clean them if stained or musty. It's often the best value upgrade for presentation. Tip 3. Don't skip the forgotten zones. Buyers and new owners often check where you wouldn't expect. So make sure you hit these spots. Skirting boards and door frames, window tracks and fly screens, light switches and power points, inside wardrobes and drawers, ceiling corners, goodbye cobwebs, garage and outdoor areas. Even the smallest details can shape a buyer's impression or a buyer's complaint after settlement. Tip 4. Don't leave it to the last minute. Cleaning for sale or settlement isn't a quick job. Give yourself time. Schedule it at least 1 to 2 days before photos, inspections, or handover. This allows time to catch anything missed and avoids the stress of cleaning under pressure, especially when you're juggling moving logistics. If you're hiring professional cleaners, book them early. The best ones book out fast during busy seasons. Tip 5. Leave a clean legacy. Moving out can be emotional, but there's something deeply respectful about leaving your home spotless for its next chapter. Whether it's a buyer walking in for their first viewing or a new owner walking through the front door after settlement, give them a clean, fresh start. It's more than a clean, it's a message. This home was cared for, and now it's yours. Final thought. A clean home sells smarter and ends smoother. A proper pre-sale or settlement clean isn't just about dust and detergent. It's about impression, trust, and closure. So whether you're welcoming buyers or saying goodbye, clean the right way, plan ahead, and set the stage for a sale and a handover that you can be proud of.